In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a scanner on Windows 11. We'll walk through the built-in Windows 11 settings so you can get your scanner recognized and ready to use in just a couple of minutes. Before we start, make sure your scanner is powered on. If it's a USB scanner, connect it to your PC with a working cable. If it's a network or Wi-Fi scanner, ensure it's on the same network as your computer. Giving the device a minute to initialize can help Windows find it more quickly. Begin on your desktop and click the Start button on the taskbar. Open the Settings app. Inside Settings, look to the left sidebar and select Bluetooth and Devices. This is where Windows manages most of your hardware. Now click Printers and Scanners. You'll see a list of devices that are already installed, plus the option to add new ones. At the top, click Add Device. Windows will start searching for nearby printers and scanners. You'll see a small scanning window as it looks across USB, Bluetooth, and your local network. This process may take a moment, especially if your scanner is waking up or your network is busy. Stay on this screen while Windows detects devices. When your scanner appears in the list, click it to add. Windows will begin the setup automatically. In most cases, it installs the correct drivers on its own. If your scanner needs an additional driver, Windows Update usually handles that in the background. Let the process finish. You might see brief messages indicating that the device is being prepared. When it's done, the scanner will show up under your printers and scanners list, typically marked as Ready. A few quick tips if the device doesn't appear right away. Double-check that the scanner is turned on and not in sleep mode. For USB models, try a different USB port and make sure the cable is firmly seated on both ends. For network models, verify that your PC and the scanner are on the same Wi-Fi band or router. Sometimes toggling the scanner off and back on helps it broadcast its presence so Windows can see it. Giving Windows an extra minute to finish searching can also do the trick. That's all there is to it. You opened Settings, went to Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners, clicked Add Device, waited for your scanner to appear, and selected it to complete the setup. You're now ready to use your scanner from your favorite scanning app in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and happy scanning.